Is young Gavi, who has the first touch of the night.
Lewandowski.
Well, what a ball that is from Pedri. Lewandowski is in, first chance of the night, and Pepe Reina stands tall and makes a very good block.
Well, that was a fantastic save from Pepe Reina. Not the greatest finish for Lewandowski. I think he had everything. Real, they will have an advantage. Let's see this long ball.
He finds Lewandowski. Plenty to aim for. It is Villarreal coming forward now. Yeremy Pino. Marshall's used to wear.
On top of him. So he's the one who has to defend this right flank.
Rafinha. Pedri has it back from Lewandowski. That is sensational. First class combination between Pedri and Lewandowski, and Xavi's side have the lead. Reina helpless this time.
The 1-2 has been fantastic with Lewandowski, and Xavi was saying, yes.
This season in La Liga, that means only Robert Lewandowski has scored more goals than the Barca midfielder. Setien doesn't move.
Balde bring it down, it was awkward. And Rafinha in the centre, plus Lewandowski sneaking in the near side. And Pepe Reina once again denies Robert Lewandowski.
That's...
Koundé had come forward.
Not to complicate himself like he did.
De Jong has won it last season. And there is almost all that. Beautiful control from Rafinha.
He can do well.
Well, here is Capu. A delicate cross with today. They will open up an 11-point lead at the top. What a run that is from Frenkie de Jong. Chukwueze. And now Frank Kessié lifting one forward for Rafinha to chase. Pedri and Rafinha. And it is a busy box, in with power, but it is Wejo. As Morales gallops forward. Chance for the equaliser. Morales side netting. What a chance that was.
If it's good or bad, well, the truth is that they're more dangerous than before.
Delivering the cross into space. Alberto Moreno was arriving, but just couldn't control his effort. And now there does... Who is chased by Baena. Lewandowski hits the deck. And now Alberto Moreno has a look into the centre and sends it.
Been taken properly, but I don't even know if the discussions were about that. But one.
Balde's cross. Lewandowski in the last away game at Betis.
Goes Barcelona danger.
They've taken a risk here, and Robert Lewandowski has just...
Because he knows that with these risky passes forward, look out for Jules Koundé. Here comes the ball, and he created something fantastic.
And he delivers now, and it was clever from Juan Foyth, who delivers. On by Rafinha. Here is Robert Lewandowski. What a ball that is. Rafinha! Just wide. Lewandowski has one wonderful assist already today. Chukwueze is under pressure, and here is Pedri. Pedri still! Morales, who gives it to Chukwueze, who looks for Yeremy Pino, and across comes Ronald Araujo. Beautiful defending again, and he's been brought down. Barcelona's free kick. And more, which is taken by Pedri, lifted into the box towards Araujo.
And Barcelona, so possibly they will love more a control game in the last,
to give themselves a bit of a cushion, because as things stand, set in a draw there in that sequence. Here is the corner, and it is wasted by Rafinha. No. And back now, wonderful Yeremy.